In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power window motor regulator assembly on your Chevy Sonic. Let's get started. Using a pick, we're going to open up the small trim door behind the handle. Pop it open. Using a 7mm socket, remove the screw in the door. Remove the trim piece behind the handle using a small pick. We're going to pop the door off. Remove the 7mm screw. Remove the trim piece on the side of the door. Pull straight out, pop the clips out. Go around the door, popping out all of the clips. Let the door panel straight up. Remove the connector. Push on the tab. Pull straight out. Pop up on the plastic clip for the door handle cable. We're going to pull straight back. Pull the cable out of the door handle and pull out the ball. Remove the door panel. Using a 7mm socket, remove the brace. Remove the vapor barrier, pull it down. We're looking to gain access to our window motor right here. Using some tape, we're going to tape up the window glass so it doesn't fall on us. 2 to 3 pieces should be good. Push on the tab for the connector. Pull straight back. Remove the connector off of the power window motor. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the 2 nuts on the window. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 screws for the window regulator and motor assembly. One in the middle. Loosen the 2 screws on top for the window glass. Loosen the top bolt. Hang the assembly on the top bolt. Get the bottom and middle bolt started. Snug the bottom and middle bolt down, and then snug the top bolt down. Install the connector for the window motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connector for the window switch. Roll the window motor all the way up to meet the glass. Be sure that the bracket is pinching the glass on either side. You may need to push it to maneuver it. Roll it all the way up. Disconnect the window switch. Snug down the bolts. Get them nice and snug. Pull the vapor barrier back. Re-stick it to the door. If you need to, you can use a piece of weatherproof tape around the outside if you're having trouble sticking it down. Remove the tape from the window. Install the bracket, get the bolt snug. Install the cable into the handle, pull it over, get the clip installed, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Install the connector for the window switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Drop the door panel down onto the sill, being sure that the unlock stock is coming through. Line up all the clips. Push them down into place. You can give it a pull and it shouldn't move anywhere. Install the 2 screws through the door. Install the trim door. Click it into place. Push the trim door into place. Install the bottom of the trim piece first. Hinge it up and clip it into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.